Sebuah sungai di pemukiman padat penduduk di Kabupaten Pasuruan, Jawa Timur tertutup sampah hampir setahun terakhir.
Pemerintah Kabupaten Bekasi berupaya membersihkan sampah yang menutupi aliran Sungai Pisang Batu.
Jawa Timur tertutup sampah
yang menutupi
Rivers in Indonesia, whose condition is polluted and critically reaches 82% of the 550 rivers spread throughout Indonesia. From the most recent data of the Directorate General of Pollution and Environmental Damage Control, 52 rivers in Indonesia are found to be heavily polluted. Following that, 20 streams were of moderate to severe pollution. In addition, there are 7 rivers that experience mild pollution to heavy pollution. The remaining 21 rivers in Indonesia have the status of meeting quality standard to be likely polluted. Now we are talking with the local people who often clean up waste in the Kaungaten River.
Sungai di Kaungaten itu tergantung pada musimnya. Soalnya sungai di Kaungaten itu kalau musim kemarau begitu buruk karena banyak orang yang buang sampah di sungai. Kalau musim penghujan sampah agak berkurang karena ikut arus ke sungai, jadi sampahnya mengenang ke sungai kayak gitu. Kami dari Pemuda Pancasila Kabupaten pernah menghimbau kepada para masyarakat dekat bantaran sungai untuk tidak membuang sampah di sana. Kami juga udah bikin banner di sekitar bantaran-bantaran yang sering pembuangan sampah, sampai kita bersosialisasi ke warga buat agar tidak boleh buang sampah sembarangan. TPS di Kaungaten nggak ada. Ada di pasar, tapi itu bukan buat umum, tapi khusus untuk pasar. Jadi orang-orang sekitar pasar nggak bisa. Itu sampah emang khusus buat pasar aja. Kendalanya mungkin ada, jadi Kecamatan Kaungaten, pemerintahan Kaungaten itu nggak punya lahan untuk TPS, itu nggak ada. Mungkin bisa nggak diusulkan ke pemerintah mungkin itu.
So, in my personal opinion, by looking at the riverbanks, I conclude that the community is less sensitive and ignores the appeal of the banners that are around. The local people are lazy to process the garbage before throwing it away, and considering environmental damage is normal.
In Indonesia, there are still many people who do not realize how dangerous it is to throw garbage in any place. This causes pollution of our environment, especially rivers, which causes frequent flooding due to cloud overflowing water lack of clean water supply due to water pollution, and many more things that can caused by polluted rivers. From now on, we have to reduce the use of plastic waste and replace it with environmentally friendly materials. Even though these items have quite high prices, but we can use this item repeatedly so that they are worth it to buy it, and we can reduce plastic waste so we can love our earth and our environment.